Well, this is pretty crazy. commercial break, I want to show you guys something. Ad1 sent me this out. It's their version 3.3 catch can carbon fiber. Ooh, it looks sick. And it's similar to the catch can we installed on the 350Z earlier on this year. But what's different about it is, if you notice, that has 2 ports. This has 2 ports, but this one has a 3rd one on the side right here. And what that does is, if you think about it, simplified really quick, air's going through the engine, gets filtered through the catch can. Baffles inside of it, filter it, send clean air back in without oil, blow-by, carbons, etc. Keeps your engine cleaner, runs healthier, runs sharper. So at wide open throttle, we lose a little bit of vacuum. So what this new 3rd port on the side does is it adds a line that goes up to the coupler. You drill a hole, add the line, and it goes all the way to your new catch can in place of this one, and then that creates an added level of vacuum. So even at wide open throttle, when you normally wouldn't have any vacuum pressure to run the catch can to catch stuff like that, when it's the most important at wide open throttle, you now have with this the perfect solution to making sure that you catch all blow-by happening. So this is a rad catch can. You guys should check it out, link in the description. If you have a 350Z or any car similar, the universal, link in the description. Thanks for sending this out, and yeah, back to our scheduled program. Weird to say, but I think we're done. Hold on, I missed a spot. Nice badges to touch it up. And step back. And this was the plan. A budget-ish daily drifter. Black calipers, all done. You don't even notice them anymore. Got the dual. Can't even see him. It's perfect. Got the front done. Looks good. Can't even see it. It all blends in. Duckbill looks great. Got a few little things, like I gotta do the vinyl right here. Some satin black. Then I gotta fix a little bit of the wrap by the license plate, but this is my favorite angle of the car for sure. Oh, it's awesome. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the build process on the Z. Don't worry, once this car's gone, I'm gonna do a lot of explaining. It's not the last Z I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy another Z, and I'm gonna do it like way crazier, like what I wish and what you guys probably think that I would do to this one. So don't worry, might have a couple cars in between to grow the channel so we can afford to do a crazy Z and start keeping cars, because it's unfortunate we have to get rid of a car on the channel, but this one's got to go. I think the new owner, whoever buys it, is really gonna love it. It's a fun car, it sounds awesome, it looks rad, and I think the color scheme is super likable. So let me know what you guys think. I will be posting it for sale. I will be uploading details to my Instagram story, so follow me on Instagram. And then if you guys want to clean your cars, I got the detail products on karmaspeed.com. I have this stuff made, and it's awesome. It smells good, works good. But just take another walk around. Imagine if you had a real Nismo, like it would look really good. But it works for now. For the price point, it's awesome. I'll take it. Especially if you had a damaged OEM front bumper. Dang. Yeah, that's a good looking car. I can't wait to get some rollers, so make sure you check it out on Instagram. All the details on selling it will be there. And yeah, hope to see you guys in the next video that's on the screen for a little bit, and we'll do a final reveal style video with some sick cinematics. Have Trevor behind the camera, go driving a little bit, maybe a couple skids when this thing is looking good. Thanks for watching.